Maryland and Cincinnati to the far east, son. And we just begun to spread the gospel. Substantial, hate rock, hip-hop apostles. Far from pre-done with this art you call rapping. Taking y'all back when before this all happened. Frontin' hardcore when you barely soft porn. Never penetrating the end of to get your heart warm.
Yeah. Sorry, we're trying to. Yeah.
Drop it till your soul feel free.
All right.
Yo man, give me that microphone and sit down, cause a brother like me is known to get down. So get up on the rhyme and you'll find it's designed to give sight to the blind and enlighten the mind. And the lines are arranged in a strange unorthodox style that knocks you out the box and blocks the competition. On a mission fishing in an empty tank, coming up blank. Crank the drums up so I can hear it, and it sums up the thumbs up on the lyrics. And I'm dropping it, heavy like lead. With dumb thinking, you pick the perfect poet out the patch. He scratches, I make the word match. Try to catch up and you'll break your jaw. Don't laugh, I heard it happen before. Some sap said that nigga can't rap. I had to pull back the trigger and cap a full round of rhymes and aim for the head. Not to put it to bed, but instead pick his brain just like a psychiatrist. He had no idea that I had just mentally took the brother for bad. I just wanted to see what kind of knowledge he had. He wasn't too bright, so I had to shed some light. And now me and the kid's alright. He heard give it here and had no idea I get dumb. I be dropping rhymes on drums.
First of all, a lot of people do ask me if that's my natural voice on the record. We augment it with echo and all those studio tricks, and we did not. That's my absolutely real voice. Well, right now, let's go. Everyone out there ready? Here we go.
It's about that time and I'm all set to get to business. So don't miss this one time only opportunity to witness this hip-hop ingenuity. Most don't know it, I'm a poet. When they doubt it, that's when I show it. Giving rhythm, plus some insight from the heart, straight out of the windpipe. Since it's from the heart, it must be art, and I'm an artist that is not confessing, but expressing what is on my chest. Impressing, listen closely, I know you'll see what I'm made of and what makes me go and grow so bold. I got the soul of a poet, cause I'm a poet with soul. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm a poet with soul. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm a poet with soul. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm a poet with soul. Yeah. On the tools for building, I'm an architect that's skilled in rhyming. Rhymes instilled and filled inside for years, and here's the perfect time for me to show with poetry. Each poem I give a little part of me. I guess I'm obsessed with the quest to do my best, and I rest assured, cause mine and rhymes are strong. Try not to fake records, gotta make songs. The type of tip that I'm tripping on is keeping this form of art in art form. Express yourself and stretch your self-esteem, but realize we're on the same team. We'll grow together, be so together, I know, cause I got the soul of